Hello folks, welcome back. So I got the battery this morning and wrong button. There's my tools. There's the air filter, cabin air filter. I got screws. I got the cover, bottom part for where the air filter goes in, and that's the top part. Everything clean, everything ready to be put back in. And I put in the battery, already put the grease around the terminals, already plugged in the negative at this point. All I have to do is now attach the top part to the cabin air filter. I don't know what happened there. There's my tool set, and there's the top of the air filter on, and I'm ready to plug in the battery. And here's a closer pick. That's it. I'm going to leave that there. And I am going to... Okay. So, I got the battery out. Took out the air filter. So you have to take out the air filter part before you can remove the battery. I'm going to clean it up a little bit with vacuum. And here's the parts. I got my set that opened everything up. There's the air filter and stuff. And here's the battery. And the year on it was, and I don't know if you can see it. Try and get it on. Okay, so it says August 29th, 2022. So within 2 years, see, that's 36 months. So it's guaranteed for 36 months, and it only lasted 2 years. And you can see 900 CA, 140 RC, 730 CCA. So I think it has 900 for the start, and then 730 for the actual. But that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to go to Advanced Auto Parts. I got to call them up again. Yeah, that looks good. I'm just going to clean up a little bit before I go. Okay. Part 1. I took everything out first. Once you have the tools, I can do it. And then now it's to get the new battery. See what benefits I can get. So, next clip will be when I install everything. Okay, so I got the new battery. Picked it up this morning, and I'm ready to install it. This is the old one, only 2 years old, 2 years, 2 months. This is brand new, October 2024. Anyway, there's the old filter case, air filter. That's the cabin air filter. And those are the screws to tie this down. This is for the bracket of the battery. So the way I'm going to do it is I put in the battery, put some glue on there, attach this first, the negative, then I'll attach the positive. Okay? Once that's done, then I'll take some more pictures and then I'll include more videos as each step is done. This is where it's, I cleaned it out pretty much. It's nice and neat. I still see a little dirt. I can make it a little bit more cleaner too. But it's doing pretty good. So let's go to the next step. Okay, air filter battery's installed. All I have to do is plug it in, but I'm going to put on the air filter first. I got the thing locked in. This is locked in with the bracket. So I'll take some pictures and finish this recording. Okay, I'm recording right now. Let me put on the light. I don't know if that's going to help. I got the garage door open. It shouldn't really matter, but I got to do this part right here. So this is the hard part. And guess what? I got battery power again. I'm gonna do something though. Push this down. So. Now, I don't know if I'm going to have to reset anything. I do have power. Okay? And you don't want to over tight. Now I'm going to open up the door. Thing is coming on. Looks like everything's back to normal. And there you have it. Everything is done. Everything is working. It's tight. Brand new battery, 36-month warranty. Went to O'Reilly's and got their Super Start. Okay. Now I gotta return the old battery. So, thank you for watching. Remember, stay safe, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, folks. Have a wonderful day.